second time I'm filming this intro. My titty was out in the last one, so bear with me, y'all. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Sam. Welcome to the Sam fam. Before we get started in this video, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button down below and turn your post notification bell on. If you guys do enjoy cooking videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so that I know and I'll do more of them. But as you guys can see from the title, today we are doing I want to call it vegan, but it's not vegan because I put shrimp in it. It is a dairy-free Cajun, creamy Cajun pasta, basically. I am making my own vegan sauce for it and everything. So I'm really excited to share it with you guys because it came out so good and I was really honestly surprised. I didn't think it was gonna be that great. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I made this pasta, then stay tuned. Also, if you guys wanna see more daily content from me, follow me on my Instagram at SamAlexandria and on my TikTok as well. But other than that, I think that's all I wanted to tell you guys. Oh, if you have any questions about anything that I'm using, feel free to comment down below. I will do my best to include all the ingredients that I use in the description box as well. And yeah, that should be pretty much it. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, y'all, so for today's dish, I'm using baby spinach, Frusili pasta, garlic, Beyond sausage, shrimp, tomatoes, chili onion crunch from Trader Joe's, almond milk, mushrooms, tofu, red onion, and vegan butter, the earth balanced butter, but you can use whatever butter you like. I have garlic powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, lemon pepper, regular pepper, salt, chili powder, red chili flakes, parsley, and Italian seasoning. I'll have all this listed down below because I know it's kind of going by fast. But yeah, so I'm starting off with taking off the stems on the mushrooms and then I'm gonna slice them up. I think I used about 5 mushrooms, but you can use however many you'd like, or if you don't like mushrooms, you don't have to use any at all. So once we're finished slicing the mushrooms, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up some onion. I'm using a very small amount, but like I said, all of this you can use however much you'd like or however little you'd like. And then I'm also gonna go ahead and mince the garlic. I used about like 3 cloves of garlic all together, and I minced that up, and then we set that to the side. Now that that is done, we're gonna go ahead and make the heavy cream. I'm using softened vegan butter. I just put it into the microwave for about 15 seconds, half a block of tofu, and then about a cup of almond milk. And we're gonna go ahead and blend that up. I have a NutriBullet, so I just used that, and it worked out pretty well. I had to shake down the butter because it got stuck. And then I just put the seasonings all together on the side for when we're ready to mix everything up. Now my sausage are thawed out, mine were frozen, so I'm just gonna go ahead and slice those up. I used 2 whole sausages, but once again, use as many or little as you like. And then I'm gonna go ahead and melt about a tablespoon, sorry. Yeah, I guess about a tablespoon of butter and about a tablespoon of the chili onion crunch. Mix that all together, and then I'm gonna add in the shrimp and the sausage and all of the seasoning. Well, I saved a little bit of seasoning, but I ended up adding it in later. So yeah, just throw in all the seasoning and mix it all up and let it cook and simmer. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the veggies. Okay, now that that's cooked a little bit, we're gonna go ahead and add the mushrooms and the tomatoes and then let that simmer together for a couple more minutes. Everything is pretty quick. You know, this is like, shrimp takes no time to cook, and anything vegan usually takes no time to cook as well. So I don't leave it on for too long, and I leave it down on low so that it doesn't overcook any of the products. I'm consistently stirring everything so that I can make sure everything cooks evenly as well. And then after I'm done with that, so after like 2-3 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and add probably about a half a cup, maybe a little bit more of the heavy cream that we made, which is the tofu milk butter mixture, which sounds really bad, but trust me, it's really good once it's all together. Now I'm throwing in some of the spinach, about a handful of spinach. You know how spinach is, once you put it in there, it wilts down and gets really thin quickly. So, you know, don't be afraid to put a lot of spinach. It probably looks like more than it really is. Now that that's done cooking, I'm gonna set that off to the side. And I'm gonna start boiling the pasta water. In the water, I go ahead and add salt so it boils faster, and I'm also adding a little bit of this like herbed olive oil just to help the noodles not stick and also give it a little bit of a flavor. So once that's done boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and add in the pasta. This specific pasta only takes about 7 to 10 minutes to be done, so I'm just stirring it up to make sure that, you know, the oil gets in there and doesn't stick. Then once it's done boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and take about a half a cup of pasta water, set it to the side, and drain the noodles. And then I'm gonna go back to the pasta sauce, turn the fire down on low, or like 2 on my stove, and I'm gonna add back the pasta water that we just took out and mix that all together. It does seem like it's watery, but trust me, this pasta sauce thickens, so just once it sits for a second, it'll thicken back up. So I'm gonna go ahead and stir that up. This angle is horrible, and I'm sorry. It's because I was also filming a TikTok and reel and didn't realize that I wasn't getting a good angle. So then I add in the pasta, stir everything up, and we're done. That's it. I'm gonna go ahead and plate it, and then once I plate it, you'll see that it's gotten a little bit thicker, the sauce at least, and then I sprinkle a little parsley on top for a little razzle dazzle. And that's all, you guys. It's so easy to make and it's delicious. All right, guys, so I actually made this pasta way earlier this morning before work, and then I got ready and I just heated up some more because I had leftovers, but here's a little close up of the one I'm about to eat right now. It smells so good. I already had it, so I know it's really good, but I just wanna try it on camera for you guys as well. Get a little bit of everything on here. It's even better the second go around. Yeah, we nucky and bucky and ready to fight. That's fire. That is fire. I am so proud of myself. Like, that came out so good. Oh my God. But yeah, like I said, you guys can make this a vegan dish if you're vegan. I'm pescatarian, so I had to add a little scrimp in there, you know. But this is so good. That heavy cream sauce that I made from scratch was bomb. I mean, it's not like it tastes good by itself, but it just adds such a good texture and creaminess to the pasta. If you make this, take a picture and tag me on your Instagram or tag me on TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, whatever. I want to see you guys recreate it for sure. But I'm about to go ahead and enjoy the rest of this off camera. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below what else you guys want to see from me this month, and share this video with one of your friends, family members, whoever. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. All right, we good, we good.
Yeah. You ran through my mind, it's like I'm on the freeway. Yeah, baby. You